Hello, children, in Unit 4, Chapter Chemistry in Daily Life. Let us know what is combustion, ignition temperature, and types of combustion. What is combustion? Combustion is a chemical reaction that occurs in the presence of a fuel and an oxidizing agent that produce energy, usually in the form of heat and light. Combustion was discovered by Anthony Laurent Lavoisier. Anthony Laurent Lavoisier, a French chemist, discovered combustion in 1772, that the product of burnt sulfur or phosphorus in effect of their ashes, and the product weighed more than the original phosphorus or sulfur, suggesting the elements combined with something in the air to produce acid. What we call as burning is really a combustion reaction. In fact, combustion is one of the first chemical reaction intentionally harnessed by human. Any reaction that involves reaction with oxygen is called oxidation reaction. In the combustion of hydrocarbon with oxygen, typically carbon dioxide and water are produced. All combustion reactions are exothermic, that is, they release heat. As a glycerin comes in contact with potassium permanganate, the oxidizing property of the permanganate ion come into play with the glycerin. The oxidation of the glycerin is very exothermic, and after a few seconds, they release the heat causes the glycerin to all ignite and burned into flame. Ignition temperature. The lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire and undergo combustion liberating heat and light is called ignition temperature. In other words, it is a minimum temperature at which the combustible substance such as air or gas must be heated up prior to burning in the absence of any source of heat. Different substances have different ignition temperature. Substances which have very low ignition temperature and can easily catch fire with a flame are called inflammable substance. Example: petrol, alcohol, LPG, CNG, etc. Types of combustion. There are three types of combustion: rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion, explosive combustion. Rapid combustion. It is a combustion process in which a substance burns rapidly and produce heat and light with the help of external heat. Example: burning of LPG. Spontaneous combustion is a combustion process in which a light without the help of external heat, that is, phosphorus burns spontaneously at room temperature. Explosion. It is a type of combustion in which a substance burns suddenly and produce heat, light and sound with the help of heat or pressure. Example: explosion of crackers. What causes combustion? Three things are required in proper combustion before ignition and combustion can take place, that is, heat, oxygen and fuel. There must be fuel to burn. There must be air to supply oxygen. There must be heat to continue the combustion process. The three sources are fuel, oxygen, heat. These three forms a fire triangle. How do we stop combustion? To stop a combustion reaction, one of the three elements of the fire triangle must be removed. Without sufficient heat, a fire cannot begin and it cannot continue. Heat can be removed by the application of a substance which reduces the amount of heat available to the fire reaction. Impact of gases. Carbon monoxide leads to respiratory problem. Carbon dioxide leads to global warming. Sulfur dioxide leads to acid rain. Slow combustion. Slow combustion is a combustion in a form of combustion which take place at low temperature. Respiration is an example of slow combustion. The another example of slow combustion is rusting of iron. Thank you, children.